RFB Legal. The Litigation Series.
Released under investigation was introduced several years ago as a change to the provisions of police bail. It was intended to provide an opportunity for investigators to progress without a suspect being subject to bail obligations and allow investigators time to conduct proper inquiries. However, that's now led to a situation where people can be left waiting on the results of an investigation, such as whether it's to be a charge or no further action, and that can be for long periods of time. It can be months, and in some cases it can be years. The severe detrimental effects of this delay can be if a person has to declare the fact of the investigation for their professional regulations or for travel purposes such as a visa, not to mention the stress caused by the uncertainty of the situation. In some cases, the delay can lead to a loss of opportunity to gather and record evidence itself. In December 2020, the Attorney General issued new guidance which broadened the scope of engagement between prosecutors, investigators, and legal representatives. This shift in attitude places greater responsibilities on investigators to provide a suspect to identify the opportunity to identify further lines of inquiry, so witness details, documentary evidence, medical evidence, also to provide access to digital material that has a bearing on the allegation, also to provide the opportunity for the instruction of forensic experts to supply an independent commentary on the case, and that's just some examples. So this guidance formally increases the scope of what is in effect early stage litigation. Important also is that the investigators are obliged to disclose or share material that may assist the suspect conduct their own investigation. All this is highly relevant to a person released under investigation, or RUI as it's known. It allows opportunity outside a formal police interview under caution to provide witness details or witness statements even. It allows the presentation of results of social media trolls and other digital evidence, which is often beyond the resources and scope of the investigators. But this may be crucial in establishing and or strengthening somebody's defence and bringing the investigation to a conclusion. Whilst this engagement is taking place, it's also an opportunity to reinforce with investigating officers their obligations under the operational guidelines for RUI, such as the 30-day review provision and case management supervision by an inspector or superintendent. All these proactive strategical steps can really assist the person who find themselves subject to an investigation, and ultimately can both establish the strongest possible defence at the earliest opportunity and avoid what can be lengthy delays bringing the investigation to a conclusion.